everybody, it's Debbie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me today. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate all the views, and I have a Dollarama haul today. Yeah, so I don't usually have these, 2 weeks back to back, but I did go last week and again this week. So I'm going to show you what I got on this trip. So I'm pretty excited about some of the things that I found. So let me just start. I have, oh, that's from a different store, so we won't put that in there. I have 2 of these. So I picked up 2 of these. There's 2 9x5-inch pans, and these are the disposable bread pans, and they have the covers for them. So I really like the idea of having the cover for the bread pan and being able to bake a loaf and gift it, and these are perfect for that. So I picked up a package of 2 of these, and they were I have no idea. I think that the girl at the till thought that these were separate, and she tried to pull them apart. So, but it does say 2 9x5-inch right in here. So yeah, she tried to charge me twice for them. Let me see if I could find my receipt. That'd be good. So this one, I picked up a wooden handled plunger, and I picked it up, of course, for the handle. I have something that I want to use the handle for. So this was $2, and I'm missing Dollar Tree for things like that. Yeah, so you guys all know how much I like buying gift bags and then using them to make planner covers and things like that. And I found this one. So I saw it in the great big bag, and in the extra large sized bags, they are not, you lose too much of the picture by the time you cut it down to planner size. So as soon as I saw the big one, I started looking, and I was going through all the bags, and I found 2 of these. So yeah, is that not a really nice picture? I mean, it's got the planner or the notebook, the coffee, the pen, the time, everything is in there that you want in a planner cover, and it's so simple and so neutral. I absolutely love this, and I couldn't leave it behind, so I had to grab that. Now these bags are $1, so that one was $1. I went through the toy section. I'm always looking for littles to put on my tiered trays and my coffee bar area and things like that. And I went through the toy section, and I found these cupcakes. So there's 6 cupcakes in the little tray. So I'm going to open this because, and it's just in where the doll toys were, little girls' toys. So let me open it, and I'm going to take this. Sorry for all the noise, but yeah, let's get it open because you can't see what they look like in that plastic, and I think they're adorable. So look at how stinking cute this little tray of cupcakes is, and each little individual cupcake comes out, and they are just adorable, absolutely adorable. Now I don't know if the cupcakes themselves come apart. Oh yes, so you have this little tiny cupcake here too. So I got these because I had 2 things in mind. I thought they look just cute enough. Let's see if I can get this back together. They look just cute enough on their own that you could put them on there. But I see people making the toppers, and I see them using the lightweight spackle and doing it, and it takes a lot of spackle. So this is because especially because it comes apart. This is a nice little filler. So you could actually just hot glue this to the top of your foam, you know, the foam piece that you're going to cut, or the cardboard piece or whatever you're going to cut for the top of your mug, and use this for some filler and some shape and kind of create around it, I think. I mean, I haven't tried, I haven't seen anyone do it, but I think it could be done. But on their own, I just think they are adorable. This is the little chocolate one with the blueberries on top. This little one that's peaked right up on the top. This one's it's purple with little roses. And then there were two separate packages. So I got them both. It says for ages 3 and up. Well, I'm older than 3. I can play with these. But this is another one. So these are different colors. So there's 2 complete different sets, 12 different cupcakes. They were $2.50 a pack. So I ended up with, oh, they have interchangeable tops, so you can play with them. Yeah. Yeah, so I got those, and I'm not sure how I'll use them, whether I'll use them for DIY or whether I will just use them as is. But they were a nice find. I picked up another mask. Adjustable ear loops, one size fits all, can be used with a filter. And it even says try our, so these are pretty, and I thought it's just a really nice mask. I am going to pop it out of here so that you can see that this is a nice chiffon, like it'll be a nice scarf style for spring or summer, but the mask part is actually cotton, and it does have a place that you can put a filter in, and it has the nose wire, it has the nose clip as well. So yeah, it has it checks all the boxes. So with all of the talk about maybe double masking, I thought maybe this would be a good mask to wear. So yeah, I'm really liking it. I'm going to get it off of here so that you can actually see. And let's open this up so that I can try it on, of course. And yes, so it fits the face nicely. It has the wire so that you can pinch it over your nose. My glasses aren't fogging up, so it fits tight. And then it has the matching little scarf that goes with it. So yeah, that's cute and pretty. And that was, I believe that was $3.50. I haven't come across my receipt yet, but I'm pretty sure that that was $3.50. As we know, it doesn't cost more than $4. So yeah, it's not more than $4. But so yes, a nice mask, and they had them in multiple patterns, guys. So if you're looking for another mask or something that's pretty or just different for spring, I like that one. Let me see. Oh, last week I hauled a couple of packages of these square dowels, and I grabbed another package because they're awesome. They're absolutely awesome. Now, I was before I went into Dollarama, I was in Michael's. And in Michael's, I saw a farmhouse style picture that was painted for spring, and it was really pretty. It was $19, guys. And I went into Dollarama, and this is the exact same shape. This is the galvanized one. The exact same shape, the exact same style. This one is $4, and I am going to do maybe a decoupage project on this and turn it into basically what I saw for almost $20 at Michael's. So for $4, I'm going to have some fun with this and make myself a decor piece. So I picked up that. Yeah, always looking to save some money. I found this. Now, if you watch all the time, you know that my husband and I are doing low carb, and we have been for a couple months now. And hard-boiled eggs are one of the staples on our diet for snacks and for just a quick lunch to, you know, chop up a hard-boiled egg on top of a salad or something like that. So I found this for $3, and it is a covered, holds a dozen eggs, will fit nicely in my fridge, can slide in there with the rest of my eggs in the cartons and be protected. And yeah, so I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. It is just the perfect little thing. And all it says on here is egg storage. So I can do hard-boiled eggs, boil a dozen eggs and put them in here. Then I can tell the hard-boiled ones from the other ones as well. So perfect for my refrigerator organization and storage. You can find almost everything that you need at the Rama, guys. Everything at the Rama. We don't have Dollar Tree here, so we have the Rama, and loving it. And I saved, oh, I got one more item. I picked up some other wooden dowels. These were $1.25, and they're half a dozen, and they are approximately a half an inch, maybe not quite a half an inch, but these are the round dowels. Always can use round dowels as well. So I got those. 2 packages of these resealable plastic bags, and they're just little, but these are going to make great diamond painting storage. And that's what they're going to be for. I picked up one package, or one thing of Hard as Nails Sally Hansen nail polish in white. We, off the buy and sell, we bought a small deep freeze, went and picked it up, and we dinged it, just a little tiny ding on the front while we were getting it out of the truck and bringing it into the house. And I am going to cover the little ding with some white nail polish, because as you know, anything that's metal, if it gets the paint chipped off the top, it will start to rust. So I'm going to use that. Always good to find a cure at the dollar store. Those enamel paints that you buy for your appliances are way too expensive. And then I found these, $3.50 each. I bought 3, guys. They had a lot of different patterns, but I bought 3 of these, and they're ceramic hot plates. They look like 4 separate tiles, but they're ceramic. And this one has all your little lighthouse scenes. So cute for summer. And they're trivets. They've got your cork back so they won't wreck your countertop or your tabletop. And they're hot plates. They're trivets. And they are so, so cute. So I got this one with the beach scenes. I got this one, and it is like your kitchen. It's got some jams, a croissant, some other preserves. This one says homemade marmalade, jam, and honey. And this one with this nice long French baguette. So look at how pretty and farmhouse looking this one is. Just gorgeous. And then this one, I had to get it because it's so spring and just so beautiful. But these 4 tiles have the floral arrangements on them. Aren't they gorgeous? Now this one here looks like it actually looks like this that I bought. Same type of a thing. So those big pictures are great for floral arrangements. But yeah, so these for $3.50 for these ceramic tiles. And my husband's a tile installer, so I know how expensive ceramic tiles are, much less designer ceramic tiles. So $3.50 is not bad for these at all. So that's my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The best thing that you can do to help me grow my channel is to share. If you know somebody that shops Dollarama and wants to see Dollarama hauls, share my channel with them, share this haul with them. And yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, go hit that subscribe button now. I'll see you all in the next video, and until then, be safe everybody and stay healthy, and yeah, bye bye.